The future of refrigeration just got a lot more vibrant as LG Electronics officially launched its groundbreaking Moodup refrigerator in Nigeria.
It is time for your life to get even better as LG Moodup kicks off. This is one of a kind.
The event unfolded in grand style, drawing tech enthusiasts, lifestyle influencers, and media professionals.
You know you can move better than him. Let me hear you make some noise.
With over 174,000 color options, the Moodup refrigerator allows users to switch up their kitchen's look anytime. Using the LG Think app, they can change color, play music, and enjoy rich sound from the built-in Bluetooth speaker, making cooking more fun and vibrant.
The kitchen is the new trend. That means the housewife, when they cooking the food for their family, they can every housewife can enjoy the cooking with the music and the color changing refrigerator.
According to representatives from LG, the Moodup refrigerator is now available at all Fioni showrooms and authorized LG dealers across Nigeria.
Okay, so you could get this product across any LG shop or any color store nationwide. This is something revolutionary that no other brand has actually done before. So we tend to ensure that we provide not just cutting-edge technological products, but products that are energy efficient.
We deliver happiness and delight of lifestyle. That is, LG is evolving from electronic company to lifestyle company.
With this innovation, LG reaffirms its commitment to delivering smart home solutions that reflect the dynamic spirit of modern Nigerian living. Omotayo Araoye, Arise News.